This is what happens when you're raised in Atlanta, but then you move to Texas. Smoked lemon pepper wet. Watch this. Clean and pat dry 2 pounds of chicken wings. Add olive oil, and then for flavor, we're using that Atlanta lemon pepper hot. Nice and spicy and tangy at the same time. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Add a little bit of lemon zest and then toss to combine. Now out here in Texas, it's all about that smoked meat, but I don't have a smoker, so I'm gonna show you how to make a smoker out of your regular charcoal grill. First, let your charcoal get nice and hot. Use a chimney starter, it makes it a lot easier. Dump the coals out and then add a nice piece of post oak wood. On the opposite side, fill a foil tray halfway with water. Since we're doing lemon pepper wings, add a couple lemons to that water. Let your smoker come down to about 225 degrees Fahrenheit. We're doing this nice, low, and slow. Once you're at the right temperature, add your chicken wings. Make sure they're not touching so that they can cook evenly. Before you close your grill, lay one piece of wood right next to your chicken so that it blocks the heat from cooking your chicken directly. We're gonna cook these at 225 for 3 hours. Halfway through, give your chicken a flip, then close the lid for another hour and a half. Now in ATL, we like our lemon pepper wet. To make the wet sauce, add 1 cup of unsalted butter and let that melt. Then add some fresh chopped parsley and then some more of that Atlanta lemon pepper hot seasoning. Finish it off with a little bit of fresh lemon juice. By this time, your wings should be at 165 internal temp. Put them in a bowl and then drizzle that lemon pepper wet sauce all over those wings and give them a nice toss. You know it's Team Flats all day, but if you want to make this recipe, make sure you visit the link in my bio.
That's good, salty.